Hi everyone, so welcome back. It's MOSHEH TV here again. So today I want to give you guys a full tour from the newly completed Unizik Temp.Site road down to Isuaniocha and down to the one that links to Isuaniocha side. So currently I'm at the Unizik Temp.Site side before the Unizik Junction. As you can see over here, the painting that was being is currently going on here has been completed on some sections, while before the white junction has not been completed, but the white paint has already gotten to the open roundabout. So but from before the white junction down to the Temp.Site side has already been completed when it comes to painting. Then recently this axis was swept and kind of clean up, but I thought that cleaning will continue, not just a one-time thing. It's supposed to continue. It's supposed to be, at least let it be everyday stuff to keep the city clean and neat. So from here we just passed or should I say, this is the white junction, and as you can see over here is only the white pen that is currently here. They have not retouched it with the black one. So, and as you can see over here, even the walkway has been also been painted white. I don't know whether they will attach the black ones to the walkways. And this side, I don't know if this side was swept or maybe it was swept and now has been covered with sand again. That's why I said it's not a one-time sweeping. This thing's supposed to be an everyday stuff, or at least let it be every weekend to keep the city clean. Before Anambra has this thing, I don't know how managed the whole thing just died down. Before they have this sweeping of a thing, there's women that do this thing. So from this angle, I think this is up on a roundabout. From this angle you can see that the dualization has ended. So the dualization ended at that up on a roundabout. Heading to Isuaniocha, from this angle there is no dualization anymore. The dualization did not get here. I don't know the reason why, but it's best known to the constructors or the people that construct the road. So from this angle is no longer dualized. Then down to Isuaniocha side, and all I can see that the last time I visited here, this road was not completed. Then it was only the drainage system that has been completed. So but today, as you can see, the whole thing has been completed and opened up for motorists, so it's now accessible and people are now making use of it. So from here we're going to be heading to that welcome to Isuaniocha bridge side. The bridge side is looking clean, is looking very clean, but the only one problem I have there is that the road looks narrow. The road is looking so narrow. I don't know why, but it's neat. The work is very neat, and it makes the place look more beautiful, but just that the place is looking more narrow. Like I was thinking maybe should have done there, to make the place more wider or something. You're gonna see everything for yourself. So that is the bridge we are approaching right now. That is the bridge. So you can see that it's looking okay and nice, but the problem is that it's quite narrow, merely looking at it. So from here we're gonna be heading inside the Isuaniocha side. You can see the welcome to Isuaniocha signboard over there. We'll be heading inside the Isuaniocha side. This side, all this angle has been reconstructed and there has been asphalted, where they I think the company handling this project has ended their own their own project at before somewhere where they ended it. I will remember the name of the place and also tell you. So they ended it there, and another company continued down to Achala and the rest of them. So I will allow you guys to continue watching the video and be seeing all the work done so far around this area until I come back again with another explanation. So guys, this is Ifiteosu Junction. So if you follow the straight road, you think you're gonna be heading to that Ifiteosu Junction. Then we take our left, which is this one that we are currently on, going down to where the road currently stops, where the contractors holding this particular axis currently stops their own. I think that is where their mission end. The company that is handling this axis project, that is where their own their own portion end, and another different company is handling from where they currently stop down to Achala side or whatever. So right now we are heading to that junction, and from that junction we'll be heading to the name of the village I mentioned earlier in this video. So that is how it just is. So nothing has been done over there, except that this particular road has been tied to that extent, and the gutter construction is currently going on from where this particular asphalting stops down to where they are. According to the to the keke rider that take me there, he told me that currently if I move down about 20 kilometers or something, or less than that, I think that we see that some section of the road are currently undergoing stone base or something, and some section has been asphalted, also being handled by different companies. So, and this particular axis was also asphalted by different companies. So, and where their own ended is this junction that we are approaching right now. Then the next people start from there down. But where this company stops, their drainage system has not been linked together with the other ones. So I don't know what is delaying that, or maybe they are waiting for the other people to get to that junction, then they will be the one to connect it. So I don't just know. So I'm gonna be videoing everything. Once I get to the junction, you see everything for yourself. So it's all in the video. So let's proceed, and let's keep watching. So where we are approaching right now is where the company that handled this particular project ended their own. So another different company is handling it from this place, their own end, to Amanuke and to Achala side. So you can see that I've already started constructing gutters and the rest, and this company own their own drainage system stop somewhere back there. So I don't know who are to link the both drainage system together. So this is where I'm gonna end in this video. Thank you for watching, guys. Do have a wonderful day.